Test, mic test. Rich, jou. So je speaker ko ya Rich? Eh. Nasong tesima ni chaile mixer nasong volume selima master volume. Testing mic test. So je sin ngira ba ko ya Rich? Rich yung.
The yellow flag. Okay, copy, copy.
Royal Ambassador in China, relakan the crown jewel. That's it. Yeah, there was.
Casinelle Maiko, Jenka Visce Capese, Kurere Nansho Mutai and so what first war the patrol Palore Kariam Kapina Mokitia, when patrol Turkey and so about patrol Lena, Karim Cup Kexta. dan draki Corporation Ketsta. Jalangga kecing kasamo. Karyang kagnamay punti. kalangan pinin cold. Ria puegi ejungol sakarata. Eban patunan wewe. O tarpe wat. Ako kanang melel. Mun me koros yen patuan chienki. Oya ejungol sakaratan keipani. Ton molanwau ilele en ir. Eraksoko. Kalapako en pon peyu. Patuan wau ni kisapul marlikent ko. Nanaleng ko. O nan kenyei ko. Ejungol wau. Ong sabul mar labalap keiti koros. Nan sabul matail rasilu and yeyas. Mayei chiak. Momotuso. O government. Patuan wauniki William Ben Opsin President. Vice President. Kabnan Wayne Ponpe. Speaker or member. And 10th Ponpe Legislature. William Ben FSM Congress. The embassies. Diplomatic Corps. Son ko pong labalap o yung umikan. Patuan wauniki First Lady, Second Lady, and Wayne Ponpe. Penini o Kampakaban, late Governor Feliciano M. Perman. Ejungol wawong chon Ponpe unsak. Melel koros makatin pipiyan sa matayal program en ranwat. O lelang irairkan maslikin Ponpe. Mailkat nan sa matayal program en ranwat. For the non-Pohnpeian speakers, respect with the traditional leaders, Office of the President, Vice President, FSM Congress, Governor's Office, the embassies, state legislatures, diplomatic corps, everyone, friends of the late Governor, Lieutenant Governor Feliciano Perman, ladies and gentlemen. We've gathered here for a reason, and that is the state funeral of the late Lieutenant Governor of Pohnpei State, the Honorable Feliciano M. Perman. Please allow me to conduct our program in Pohnpeian, so please bear with me. Nan sabul matayal program, ang sukset sa bangkat lang nan lolo, women patrol, tungulan kyan sumahuksit. Father Prudencio Andres. Mansapko soka nakasimulaulaw chay patubuan kaka. Court and Limtra. Court and Kalana, Court and No. Katpana o Pachupana and Morin Sawat Wasakset, Pilakate Pan, O Asansanapan, Kalena Kalena Way. Our customer, the sunset. Doon sa pagmamahal na ito karyang kapna Feliciano Perman. Ano nang kasawat sipat o kapikaranan bilang sakis. Ano sa pagmamahal na tumalit sa sawang trataman yung buwan ng sawang Meron kata yang kau nakalena naluwi meron nanos. Siya para pakitan from lintuan sa pinagkukalanan kawir kasing kasam. Nagsayap na katinimay kailangan lale kawir kasing kasam mo ka from. Mereka yang kaya wahai kawakan. Kamu yang sebenarnya masyarakat itu ansur. Kau berkata itu pulang, dia yang lalu pada ini kita pada ini ya. Mereka cuma lagi kapal, mereka cuma lagi kota. Orang yang sama-sama menentukan siapa yang mau ina, mau bicara, harusnya maka bisa ada kesempatan. Pusat dan juga negara Kailangan ito sa equity. Na sa berbagai program sukses dan kecil dan mereka akan terpuruk. Kemudian patuan supaya ini kau nanman wah. Kailangan yung pagkakunan. Hirakin mo na sa berbagai program di village. Mungkin patuan bata kesemuanya rawat, mungkin patuan Dupere, Senator Francis Uduanis, dan kak sepenuhnya kita, jualan kita.
Lawrence, Ferguson, Congress, all these three cabinets, special recognition of former Governor David Yamaki, Commissioner Wow, Lalwood, House Speaker, Martin Yamauchi, and Balance. Head of the district. The Bella Chorus, who chorus may have the players in the garage. Nan program into what we see about the one that Senator Wallace and even by the Mami, the Aramasaman, the Capoeira, Unixia, Aramasaman, Aramaso, and Anna Mausa. Around my mind what my honorable Christian Herman
Amanalan Pohnpei, Magtrailkin Patrol 1 statement. Magtraigoros Mangi Patrol 1 Legacy Honorable Perman. Arukmail Kupura Boivanaki Sair Wasamay Patrol 1.
Honorable Perman, the young Kapiata Legislature Kayu, President of Congress. Then, now, Olabak, the 6th Legislature. Ulmanat Yamato Saparmatai Compact of Creation Nintuan Agoto or with Consacra the Sansan Yen E. Kai Shaka Compact on Asamented David Nasani the Compact Korea. All managed Kausakala. Compact Piano, Madrigal and Paraguay. Now, Koyan Legislature, Joplin, Pohnpei Legislature, passed the Parliament, all managed. We are Chairman of Finance. Now, second Pohnpei Legislature, all managed we are Chairman of Finance. Now, third Legislature, all managed we are Chairman of Finance. Now, Patapat, third Legislature. United Legislature Government as Chairman, Audit, Non-Vote Legislature, we are Chairman in Health, Social Service. Non-Current Government Legislature, we are Speaker 1, Crime Sakala, Fifth Legislature, Audit Cadet, we are Speaker. Then, 6th Legislature, we are Vice Chairman already. Pagyayan sa mo, may patuloy siyang extension. O ibig ko siya, at magpako. Ni Wiyala, General Manager, ng isang mga teams. Mula mo, Wiyala, tarin kasi. Mula mo, yay mas kapag salita natin sa kalalaga, karyaw ko namin ito. Katapat turun na wala natin, sumalalui. Open and prepared in shoes. Wallet, proper prepared in shoes. Ang share of open shoes. Ang shoes na sweater. Ang shoes yung karyaw ka na. Pilbiya kapwa ang shoes yung kapwa. One wallet. Dalapot. Kung nagsawa siya. Miyang mga chuchukan na ulit-ulit mga constitutional government. Dapat lisensya, dapat namin work. Ulmanat may po. Kami magkaitin pa na ilay kalir brahot nagpahanto siya Ulmanat. Sa Ulmanat Ulmanat State, ang Yamabe National Government, pinagpahanto siya Ulmanat. Kung biyasukan koros, ang pinuniyang bitibitiyang dan kata nan kamu legislature kami batang ulmanat sangat legislature apa iman perluan terhadap itu ulmanat euya actual mentor dan actual control ulmanat honorable Berman o Senator Yohanes Hansupas saya pinakiyak untuk pana tao yung isang pana NSP. Ulmanat nabigyan niya po din na sinilip Upo at tupo niya mga kalat sa Ulmanat ko. Upo kayo may batuan at wala pa rin ito. Kailangan ng kami lupay ito. Mawala. Pwede po babang tumalin po yan. Ano pa rin? President of Parliament, essential na ako Tana, nanti siya one-word, mauman, amiyang mautawang naman. Maramot, dengan naman siya, masalinang konti, kasi siya, nagpamulya di ng malakwa. Apa ni unit dedutin ayah apa ni Honorable President Berman Sesuatu mengayiam Senator Yohanes dan Jumita Tatapat Biu yang kesempatan Senator Yohanes Wiyah Honorable President Serius Hari Rahmat Iberian Administrative Pension Aksi Speaker semua kami Honorable Pension Permanent Aunan wasayang begitu harus ketuan Nopemutahan tahun wasaya Kalangan kami Aunas memaiti legislature Amu memaiti legislature rawat Legislature ulama Depan dia Tuan yang kawin Amu ni rarak dia Melibat tuan bewa bisa kamu Nanawi Mamau Buat bapa di bukan government Mewah sedikit nak keren Meyi kanama Nan Olakan ni tatraw Ofis Pati-patuyan Olmadat Cuma lagi Siapa nanti Kanama Ia utapan kanama Listen sendiri. Hari kanama kami Maudir Rawat punya legislature Pension Kamu Mobil mengatakan yang kami orang kita Upah kesimpulan memau kembali kata kembali syukur besar kamu mau dapat kawan pilihan itu dengan kawan terawat sebab nanti yang sebab pakai ribet Dengan sekat hutan tersebut bagaimana kami Honorable Pension Permanent Cuma dari usia yang mau Poros kepada ini Dan coba saya Kalangan masa polisi Petian ragu Sekarang dari masyarakat Kelangan kami, Senator Yohanes, unsur kami sokong kesempatan, mereka jemput mereka, pasti kesempatan, kesempatan rawat, Yohanes dan kesempatan program, ye kesibukan atau embassy kan, mobil yang ada kesempatan government and officer. Dari Iman Batuan Ciengki Kesiluku the condolence letter Mesang US Embassy Batuan Dear Governor Oliver, on behalf of the people of the government of the United States of America, I would like to extend our deepest condolences to you, the people of Tonto, and especially to Mrs. Maury Perman, their children, and all the family of the late Lieutenant Governor Feliciano Materne Perman. The late Lieutenant Governor Perman will surely be missed by many, but his good deeds and service to the people of Tonpe will remain in the hearts of its people forever. Our prayers are with you, the people of Tonpe, and the family of the late Lieutenant Governor Perman in this time of mourning. Sincerely, Alisa M. Big, charged to your heirs. Eu Pilpatrosa, Australian Embassy, Pilpatrowan,
Copy, copy.
dear Governor Oliver, on behalf of the Australian Embassy, I am writing to convey our sincere condolences on the recent passing of the Lieutenant Governor of Pohnpei State, the Honorable Feliciano Perman. Australia recognizes the immense contributions Lieutenant Governor Perman made to the people, made to Pohnpei State over many years of dedicated services. The Australian Embassy was fortunate to host the Lieutenant Governor as the keynote speaker of the 2020 National Aborigines and Islanders Day Observation Committee celebration. The Embassy deeply values the decades-long personal relationship we maintain with the Lieutenant Governor through the use of his property as the location of the Australian Ambassador and staff residences. Once again, my sincere condolences to you, members of your government and the Lieutenant Governor's family. Yours sincerely, Matthew Holloway. Blair Kusiligo Patrosak, Embassy Saban, Bill Patroan, dear Governor Oliver, we have heard with profound grief of the death of the Honorable Feliciano Perman, Lieutenant Governor. And I would like, on behalf of the Embassy of Japan and the Government of Japan, to offer my deep sympathy and sincere condolences. Michigami Isashi. Eu, Matrosan Sabumatrai, Government of the Federated States of Micronesia, met Awia Supplement President and President Proclamation. Whereas it is with deep sadness that I announce officially of the passing of the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano M. Perman. Whereas the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano M. Perman served both Pohnpei State and its people in many capacities as a state senator, Speaker of Legislature, Director of the Department of Treasury and Administration, Planning and Budget Advisor, State Program and Budget Officer, Tax Collector, and Administrative Clerk, and as the Lieutenant Governor of Pohnpei State. Whereas throughout his government achievements, he successfully served the Pohnpei State people with utmost dignity, respect, and integrity, and shall be very missed and remembered by not only the people of Pohnpei, but by the people of other Evasan states and other country nations. Whereas the untimely passing of the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano M. Perman, it is a great loss that will instill deep sorrow and mourning among so many. Whereas this proclamation bears the heartfelt condolences and sympathies of the entire nation to the bereaved family, relatives, friends, and colleagues of the late Lieutenant Governor Feliciano M. Perman, whose accomplishments and dedication in service to this nation shall forever be remembered and honored. And now, therefore, I, David W. Panuelo, President of the Federated States of Micronesia, do hereby proclaim a national mourning period in honor of the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano M. Perman, commencing today. The national flags of the Federated States of Micronesia shall be displayed at a half-mast for 3 consecutive days. In witness whereof, I have set my hand on this 30th day of September 2022. David W. Panuelo, the President. Ye isil ko bukat me san o imen patawan luka sa matay Vice President and FSM. When God patawan tak isil ko may apto watagat kong penini karyang karnan punte. Thank you, Vice President. Irrigation and supplementary program is been proposed and then Katuan Victoria look at Nanman Wire. kailangan pinagkong kinakawalunan sa bloodline program kay Bangkit Yagnan sa karatapot sa bansang Speaker Marvin Yamaguchi. Ngayon padulan-tulan kan sa mawakit pinpatag kasambalo patulan dukat Speaker ang kasakulman kita sa tumalan kita yung
Salamat Presidente. Mohon iman patro itu wala sa karatan kapem o wala sa Prenanila. Kahit Prenanila o walang wow ilelen onbe. Kaya po ni Bang masa na balap nanang yung surprise. Wala ang friend susunan ko rin madalani. Wow choror o sa pulmar event ko nan kanyego nananag nan kanyego. Wawan ki sa pulmar na balap kay Sigoros ng Palientuyag. Wawan ki na balap ka ng government kapasilu o wawan ki balance Labanab and State, the Honorable Governor Oliver, or First Lady. Wauniki, Karyawan Kabina, Honorable Feliciano Maternal Perman, or Second Lady, or Amatungol Panene Trik Ola. Wauniki Soko Kung Labanab, yang kami Soko Kungkan. Pasapsit, mohon kebenaran yang ay senator kan. Oy bilmen mohon kebenaran laban national government, mayay Vice Speaker Aaron, the Vice President Aaron, Vice Speaker Moses, o Congressman Ned, o iray laban kancang national government. Bilmen mohon Rosa, langilang Samoropan, Serisopan, o langilang Samoropan. Kay Ben Olbe Chorus, Bangkit Tepato, Pangkuran, Walenwa. Masa ko isoko, dagat kuburan, kuika, olak tiritin, kuika patrowan sakarata, di patrowan, wai, jangan ni, kuika sanjale, dari dikatakan, kemudian pada waktu Jual patro, iban patrowan, itu wali patrowan boleh mana kamu? Dia boleh kesem paling banyak. When I first heard about the passing of the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano Maternal Perman, I was shocked. Deep sadness and sorrow followed. Shocked because we often text together, and in our last text message, he sounded strong. He even promised to visit the legislature sometime soon. I first met the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano M. Perman when we were elected as members of the 6th Pohnpei legislature back in 2003. That year, he and 13 other experienced incumbents were re-elected, along with 9 of us newcomers. I could say that we, the 9 newcomers, were fortunate to have worked along with and learned from the most experienced and intelligent senator of Pohnpei. Although we only worked together for 1 term, it didn't take long to find out that he was a statesman because of the way he thought, talked, worked. He would often, he would often speak about how and what to do to make Soques and Pohnpei a better home for the citizens and residents of our islands. In fact, those of you who knew him well can attest to my recollection of this outstanding statement. The late Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano Materna Perman dedicated his whole life serving the people of Pohnpei. He was in every way patriotic to his home state of Pohnpei. He may have passed and gone ahead of us, but how he served and what he did and accomplished for the people of Pohnpei will never pass or be forgotten. Just last Friday, as we were convened in session, the Pohnpei legislature unanimously adopted our heartfelt resolution of condolence, memorializing the late Lieutenant Governor's great feats of statesmanship that led to the formation of many of the enduring institutions of government that we are blessed with today. On behalf of the then legislature, I would like to thank his wife, Mrs. Maureen Perman, for the full support and unwavering assistance she devoted to her husband and the children of their father throughout his long illness leading up to his unfortunate passing. To us, gathered here today, let each and every one of us, in our own unique and individual ways, find solace in the inspiring memories of the exemplary life of the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor and statesmanship Feliciano Materna Perman. And to the late Lieutenant Governor's family, let me extend to you our heartfelt sympathy and prayers that in the years that leads ahead, the good Lord will sustain each and every one of you and give you peace and good health. Salamat. And so, pray with pagawan resolution you may.
Kanangin ko, Speaker. Ang suksik sa ibang katiyan ng Sakaratapot o murin Sakaratapot Supplement Pohnpei State Government Proclamation di Patuan Bataw. Sakaratapot pansang sa pagmatay Kebnak Kayu and Wayne Pohnpei. Ingin patuan bata ala ko iso ko pesti kesempat ko patuan dupe pepna o yang ato ba wiya the water proclamation angka teksta patuan kay buni o wow kan bukan semacam court il magat nilang sungia kay saka nalang o wow tiba kerusi cuma sekarang wow kay buni dan kuburan traction dun piyu mon sa baba iso ko likan ko nanalan ko nan kanyi ko lagalat kiti koros walo siriso oil koros lang ko sa kuskan na sa walmadalan kami tiya wow toro and bilto ka rosa o lagalat lang tikan koros bilget tepatukan kuburan wow and bilto ka Honorable Speaker Marvin Yamanguchi, all members in this lecture case, Wautoroni and Tobagi, First Lady in Pohnpei, Lieutenant Governor, late Honorable Feliciano Perman, Second Lady, Ms. Maori Nanpei Perman, Pinene, Sirikan Koros, Wautoroni and Biltoga, Sapalmatan Kabna Ranjayo, Kabna Johnny David, Wow and Biltoka, Vice President in Nevesan, the Honorable Vice President Harold Balik, Honorable Vice Speaker in Nevesan Congress, Honorable Moses, Honorable Senator Theon Ned, Cabinet members, the Secretary of the Government in National Government, Wautoroni and Biltoga, Son Kabung Lagalat, in Pohnpei, o Yangawi Son Kabung. Wautoroni in Bilpatoan Palegi, Catherine Andreas, o Juan Baron Henry. Each one wow, Vancouver Karusian, Pranwood, o Bilwao and Sabalam, Kiraikan Chorus, Mayang Patan, Tatak Pasampal and Ranwood, Borinsa Watts and Ranwood. Ibatuan, Patuan Success, Yen Patuan William, Supplement Pohnpei, of Sintatna. Belut Pitu Medalning, the Karyan Gabina, Ongay, Kapulmay like Latu, Bepajon, Ataki and Pohnpei, Karainson Bar, Silur, Karayan Bar, Pilim Sector. Imen Chumalan Piajawat, and Success, Niwao, o Karkara, Patuan William D, Government in Pohnpei, Cabinet Member Chorus, Right Chorus, Mekiriyang Ewo, Honorable Lieutenant Governor Perman. We are Katumut, O Kaparapawat, Me Kan Sela, and Rairan Suksit, O Niata Kan Katem, O Itawen, and Sela Put, the Child Chorus. Kan Tanyang Petiam, the Patuan Euron. Even Patuan Kaping, Ong Second Lady, Mrs. Maori Nanpei Perman. Puegi Ujut, Mimie Ong Honorable Lieutenant Governor. Essential Ranwood, Mie Story Jodo, Desai Jodo Parata, Eminent Mie Sabulman, Tungal. Story Desai, Bebita, Sabulmatai, all Kosampal with definite Mektan Kaukawawi, Ranmawi, Obelgan Kamara. Tungal Wow, Itapaton Manapela. Right man tungon office kan ligi kan makin batang kita embassy kan ambassador in Japan, ambassador in China, deputy chief of mission in Australia, count in United Nations, nan kan terkabar buat Honorable Yap Van Durden, William Hyoen, Speaker in Rancho, Election Commissioner Lambert, Oipil Patawantan, Ambassador Chen Shikio, William Patek Saito, Rancho, H1 Wow Patata. And it is pinapal sa karata na isa man rin na isa wat na emolu kinmiye o gada. Aap iba chuan ka paraporki nagjagat pa na ran wat Thailand katun o ki Thailand katun. Pues otro na wat dokumeran kauno Kaya tanpa kawudi. Yei Androyas, 1,100. Nakaruang siya dan rock kirain na talk and run with only kasakas. Tan kuburan mo isap. Tan kita beginiak. Iso, natulinin. Nanagap sa guys. Rosa nakalaban boros ketua saksit run with. Shota mewat. Legap kakalayan sa karatakan ni Tiangan Moy, may nilisan sa Tokel Tatok Mao and Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano Perm. Imen patuan sa karagita kis tumutumot. Wasakan BPPN sa Ponengan Sansan, ang patuan may resolution yu ka ang patuan mo sa karata. Puwen ka kaita wasakan. Ayat pasal bibit patuan sakar kita ay suksit. Nan kongkasan karya paken tonpi. Mewiyawi siyang ni April reisip tuwaw. Len October reisip silu. Tar reisip tuwaw. Kesongkat isip sama samala. Yang kajayan Luke Peto, the Honorable Lieutenant Governor Katayan, delegat kan bersusta sang tunbi, peniam renter, sabul tunbi bahasa. Iba tuan kabar meran bos filmi aja, kira kan yang katayan ugatan Keriau, yang lagi Honorable Speaker yang mengucap, Honorable Vice Speaker Miguel, Honorable Senator Perez. O Attorney General Chudachani o Letrika Katayang Honorable Lieutenant Governor Feliciano Perm nandatok ko siyang pala. Nangyayari na ito ko bukakan memiyayang iraikan o kitkan dami sang Luwanin Putoy the Honorable Senator Yuanis, the Legislature KU, Legislature Kariao, o Legislature Kasilu. Honorable Lieutenant Governor Perman, Katawan de Bukaki, Chairman in Finance. Nan, Kokasan Kariao, ni Katawan ta, Chestani, April Reisip Tuao, yung sekla ni October Reisip Silu, baru yang kedua, Honorable Feliciano Perman, khususnya penguya Chairman and Committee in Finance dan Pembahasan Karya. Iba tuan muya Edmund Vice Chairman and Committee in Finance. Dan I saw that Kevin Peterson Fil sabulman kita cuma lagi apalagi way karyawan kebenangan pilih kita bangka apalagi sabulman saya logis tentang yang moni the Director in Treasury of Finance. Dan datangkan memia karyawan kebenangan makin kuat Ovali Committee Meragan Patawan EPRC, the Executive Budget Review Committee. Owen Kasampalan Tata, Meluk Peto, the Karyawan Kabinan Tulpi, Sapulmanki, the Walanki, Kininin Min, Kininin Sanoki Pantakson, dan meeting kan Magan Wiyawi, dan Isakakita, Karapan Moa, Kasapan Moni kan Magan Wiyawi, Kak Lelito Glok Lemau Kamano, Arakin Second. Dan ISO Karyawan Kabinan Honorable Chairman Apapali EPRC, Kasapan Wiyat Budget, Karamarongkan, Kinta Film, Lok Isek Riyaw in Lukagan. Ituan, all meditation of the Takan Nate, the Takan Punk, the Takan Barat, Wegi, Yakalak Nasani Yang, Kanita sentiment, attention of it. Wegi supplements, way sent, Tabu Tantan. Kalangan Kupuran, Honorable Luke Peter, Karyawan Kabinet Tulpi, Kaisa Tali, or Kaping, Tan Kupuran Lupe, Mrs. Maury, Nandri Perman, Imenville Tonese Waunaki, Sharika, Kemi Rose, Marvin, Maureen, Jocelyn, Fiona, Diana, Tayuli, Quincy, or Chase, or Sheriff Forest, may I be a mic smart. Ipajoan, Watakatat, Artukat, Need Kapan, Ulianti government in Tunti, Ulianti Aramas Forest, Mayamagati, Run, Kakasai, or Limaniki, Isinamaki, Kachat Lao. The Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Kachita to Pachawanta, some near Jebin Yang Katen, Tapulvina talk in government, Hilton Yansobe, Luke Belier, Yanka, Kachim the Patayan and his state of Patan. Kalangan, Korusian, the Yang Katen, Ranwood, PM, Bowen to talk and Silok Mao, Honorable Vice Lieutenant Governor, Kalangan Komui, Omugin, Okawai was a woman Kanana, making show sick child and cup at Patakoi, or you got one couple of work in the Mochapo, Yami with the top, Tanka Kubura, we put government in Kumbi, we write down the time to Shilakata. Tama kong Pilapalia, tama kong Pilchabiatar, tama kong Pilkapawit Clear, totoo pa yung palkan sa nas. Kailangan ng kaninay, ikan patuan kaya, ukan sa gito magsakarata, ni ikan full, karanjat watch, ang pinakakman na watak. And don't be state, tomorrow proclamation.
Hello, Sangobis and Kopna and Wayne Pombe. Mona Gandola, Ibilman Pachong Sakaratan Wakan, Machiong Moy. Ajunga Sakaratan Wala, Pangkubra Danila, Samajay Boj. Wala, Pangkubra Monsapako, Isoko, Wauna Kilikot ko, Nana ko, Nanganyay ko. Wang nagrosa o wang toke kay sila balakman koros ng taliyang sapal machay siya. Ay siya sagaratan wang choror toke Vice President and Gandhika Kapatapach and Micronesia, the Honorable Aaron Malik, Aichimalwa Biltoka, Vice Speaker and Navasam Congress, Waunaki Kapna and Wayne Ponpe, the Honorable Reed P. Oliver, Oachimalwara, Waunaki Speaker and Pompey State Legislature, Honorable Marvin T. Yamamuchi, Yamamuikan, Waunaki Chief Justice and Pompey State Supreme Court, Honorable Nelson Joseph, Yamamuikan, Aichimalwao, Biltokat, Koreaut Kapna, and Wayne Pompey, Honorable Feliciano M. Perman, Wow Biltokat, Peneda and Koreaut Kapna, Aichimalwao Choror Tokat, Padre Owan Peran, Mayang Pachaban Kupuran Wech, Wow Tokat, former Governor Johnny David, O Wow and Tokat Paras, Mapanang Wow Wech and Tokat, Monsa Pokoy Soko, Ragachan Kupuraya, Wayanka, Enang Kawach, Sang Office and Kapina, Oew Diyang Pompey Unsa, Ruas and Palokwach di Pachawan Way, Iyang. Executive Proclamation number 22-09, declaring a period of mourning over the untimely passing of the late Honorable Mr. Feliciano M. Perman, currently serving as the Lieutenant Governor under this administration until his passing. Whereas the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor was born on February 14, 1947 in Malak Sopes in the state of Pohnpei. And whereas on September 23, 2022, the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor was called to his eternal rest in the state of Pohnpei. Whereas the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor served the people and the state of Pohnpei in many capacities as a senator, a framer of the Sokes Constitution, Speaker of Legislature, delegate to the Second Pohnpei Constitutional Convention, General Manager of the Pohnpei Utilities Corporation, Director of the Department of Treasury and Administration, Planning and Budget Advisor, State Program and Budget Officer, Tax Collector and Administrative Clerk, and as the Lieutenant Governor under this administration. And whereas the traditional title of Luke Peido was bestowed upon the late Lieutenant Governor by Wasalabalak Isabel Nanmarki of Metalanim, as well as traditional titles from Pichi, Sabaz, and Nach. Whereas throughout the late Lieutenant Governor's service to the people and the state of Pohnpei, he served with dignity, respect, and integrity, and he shall be sorely missed and remembered by the people of Pohnpei. And whereas the untimely passing of the late Honorable Lieutenant Governor is a great loss that instills deep sorrow and mourning among the people of Pohnpei. And whereas as the governor of the state of Pohnpei, I hereby extend my heartfelt sympathy and condolences to the wife of the late Lieutenant Governor, their children, their grandchildren, their relatives, friends, and people of Pohnpei during this period of bereavement. Now, therefore, I, Reed B. Oliver, Governor of the state of Pohnpei, in accordance with 8 PC 1-102, Section 1, Subsection A, and 1 PC 6-106, Section 5 of the Pohnpei Code, do hereby proclaim a period of mourning commencing on the date after Lieutenant Governor Kermit's passing, September 24, 2022, to the date of burial in honor of the late Lieutenant Governor. All state flags shall be flown at half-mast during the period of mourning. In witness hereof, I set my hand and seal of the state of Pohnpei to be affixed on this 30th day of September 2022. Signed, Honorable Reed B. Oliver, Governor, State of Pohnpei. Kalangan.
Kailangan kabina o the proclamation reader. Ang sugod na sa mga program kay kan karamatan ni kapot pot hingga batul lukaya nan koi. saya angkat siang dan sekarang kaput o akan sang beliau kediri. Wanita kacuan wiya cuma sakaratan walian kita ini menen nono auri agar cuma serikan dengan baca sakaratan wow kan mencium yang moi cuma kaibani o wow from the cemetery coach kaipani o wow from friend wasarabala isbal nambar kian beteleni kaipani o wow from friend samarwa nambar kian waidu kaipani o wow Kampren sukses namar kian main kecil kaipani oh wow kampren namcak beginian namar kian main sukses kaipani oh wow kampren port level match namar kian main match kaipani oh wow Kampren Tobasa namar kian wain gelap kaipani owa Kampren kaipani namar kian sapato cuma wa Kampren isonan ko cuma wow toka lekan ko nanalan ko onan kadiye ko wow choro toka kiti labalabakan nan kalian siya momotso cuma wow Kampren rosa former Governor John David. Chuan Wawach Pantobergi Vice President and FSM members and FSM Congress, Song Government FSM, Chuan Secretary Wawla or Captain of Governor and Wayne Broadway, the Honorable V.P. Oliver, Speaker Martin, Senator Van Paros, from Bombay State. Monsakuko, Isoko, Ibachota Ramach Koyan Mulian, Helen Achnono Maori, non-paid permanent or Riachkan Arachualkan. Pasal kasaban, kalangan, bangkubur, kectin walan wawla, non-paid, katung, melen, toka, kabina, o omuchuan cabinet member kan, Speaker o Senador kan pasal di memia welcome kamurala Ajpapa, late Lieutenant Governor Honorable Feliciano Berman. Once ago, pwede state funeral yung match o pwede sa nabis chocho me bache chega watch. Ada kecil budaya, pwede cuma sakarata and bacho ni white. I stand here today and nephew of late Lieutenant Governor Honorable Feliciano Berman to represent Mrs. Maureen Berman, their children, the family and friends who are in Broadway, and those living abroad, to express our utmost and sincere appreciation for your presence in joining us in celebrating the life of our beloved father, uncle, brother, and late Lieutenant Governor Feliciano Berman. We are deeply touched by your words of sympathy and condolences, your thoughtful and generous contributions, beautiful flowers, cards, messages that are continually received locally and from abroad. Words of comfort, stories and memories shared, prayers and love are sincerely appreciated. Your presence and support have lessened the feeling of loss and grief. Mrs. Berman and our family would like to thank the Governor and the entire executive branch for the professional relationship bestowed on the late Lieutenant Governor. Your continued support and trust is invaluable and deeply appreciated. It is only proper that the state funeral is held at this legislative chamber, as it is in this very chamber that the late Governor Feliciano Berman first started his political career. As the state senator from Soques, on behalf of the family, thank you to Speaker and members of state legislature to allow our uncle final tribute to the state of Bombay to be held in this chamber. Words of gratitude and appreciation is not enough. Our uncle is a man of few words. Humble and utmost respect for his wife, children, grandchildren, family, and most importantly, to the people of the state of Bombay, for whom he served diligently for many years. In short, I want to say thank you, Kalananla. Lastly, I would like to humbly request for your blessings and forgiveness in any misgiving by our uncle, to allow him to rest in peace and begin his next journey in life. Kalananla. kalangan kami dan sukses saya kecil pun di sama program o email pasawan juga Wan Karan Filimon Henry Kaya sa pagbatay lolo kaya na sa pagbatay program
Mo isa ko isu ko. Sa palmarigan ko na kini ko. Ragatin lolo. Ragasta o sa palmarigan na balak ko sa Kupuro sula pagkauno, yung toto lang kumay o tiyan lang kumay. Kailangan umat penatayan kaum Jesus Christ, limpa pelaparakan sama tayo po. At tayo katin sa pinabahan kami namin, and ngayon sarap. And katin niya yung pagkalisawat, o maragatin man prayer, pensi permit, o sa palmar panayin, o napadapkan koros. Salmet, pilpan po wala na sot. Amen. Request to try patrol.
kalangan so Wan Karan o sa program irebe kairala ye konsol o ibang liyo patrol kaya naman kuwai meaningful. Kalangan kami na. Kalangan ter.
Lock din, di ba?
Lock?
Eh.
Ay. Pwede kamera, kapir, kamala. Sabi. Sarap naman yung Sprite ako, may biyang ko lang. Malaw. So. Yang ay ko.
They also want that, like, supplement for the entire